Visual Statement, a globally recognized state university. Mission Statement, Negros Oriental State University delivers goals excellence through advanced infrastructure, impact, impactful research, and sustainable extension. With strategic partnership of modern infrastructure, shaping effectiveness leaders to serve the world, to serve and to serve the world, to serve the Philippines and the world. Quality policy. Negros Central State University commits to delivering quality instruction, research, extension, and production to ensure compliance with all statutory and regulatory requirements and continuously work to improve our management system to meet our quality objectives. Core values, spirituality, honesty, innovation, non-tolerance, excellence. Strategic goals. Negros Central State University will achieve global recognition by program excellence, strengthen research through impactful innovation, promote enhanced community extension services, integrated partnership and international relations, revitalize infrastructures with operational system, enrich students' life and leadership opportunities. Criminology education, vision, mission, and objectives. Vision. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problem of control and meeting the demand for global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education program commit itself in providing the community with professionally competent and, morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives and pursuant to the above stated mission, the Department of Criminology integrates and sequence courses of the study which are well planned. This these courses of study utilize didactic instruction, discussion, demonstration, laboratory practice, simulation, individual learning, and on-the-job training. The following are the specific objectives of the department. 1. It seeks to provide vast opportunities in instruction and gathered experience whereby the students learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skills essential to the practice of criminology. 2. It provides the students with a broad cultural background and understanding of the constitutional guarantees and due process requirements of law, insofar as they affect the total administration of justice. 3. It fosters higher concept of citizenry, accountability, and learn an understanding of one's moral and legal responsibilities to his fellow men, his community, and his country. 4. It inspires and instills in the students the value of service to humanity. 5. Encourages research and inquiry in the field in criminology and criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. A criminologist is any person who is graduate with a degree of criminology who, who has passed the examination for criminologist and is registered as such by the Board of Examiner of the Professional no, for the Professional Regulation Commission pursuant to RA 6506 Section 23 defined the term criminologist as one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology if he holds himself out of the public in any of the capacities as a professor, instructor, or teacher in criminology in any university, college, or school duly recognized by the government. Pursuant to also to RA 650 Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be exempted from any entrance or qualifying government examination and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following position: A. Fingerprint technician. B. Uh, firearms, firearms examiner. C. Question document examiner. D. Correctional officer. E. Probation officer. F. Crime laboratory technician. G. Law enforcement photographer. H. Lie detection examiner. I. Agent in any law enforcement agency. J. Security officer. T. Criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Commission Resolution number 98983022, criminologist eligibility would apply for appointment for the PNC or rank of PO1 up to the Police Commission Officer PCO with the rank of Police Superintendent. Republic Act 6975 Section 33 provide that licensed criminologists may be appointed to the rank to the initial rank of police inspector if there are vacancies. 11 General Order 1. To take charge may dispose on all company properties in view and protect, preserve the name with utmost diligence. 2. To, to walk during for of duty in military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. 3. To report or violation of orders. I have I am instructed in person. 4. To, to report on calls from for more distance from the guardhouse where I am in station, to quit my post when properly relieved. 6. To receive, obey, and pass out to the relieving guard or order company officers, all officials, superiors post in charge, or shift leaders. 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. 8. To sound or call the alarm in case fire and disorder. 9. To call the superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. 10. To salute all company official, superiors, agencies, ranking public official, and commission officer of the EFP, and officer of the PNP. 11. To especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging, to challenge all persons on or near my post, and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority. To eat my meal before entering my duty. Law enforcement code of ethics. Being entrusted with the duty of law enforcement, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to safeguard lives and property, to protect the innocents against deception, to peacefully against violence and or disorder, and to protect the constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsullied as an example of what maintain courageous calm in the face of danger, scorn, or ridicule. Develop self-restraint and be constantly mindful in, in the welfare of others. Honest in thought or deed. In both my personal and official lives, I will be exemplary in obeying the law of the Republic of the Philippines. Whatever I see or hear of a confidential in nature will be kept ever secret unless relation is necessary. In the performance of my duty, I will act officiously or permit personal feelings, prejudices, and, animosities or friendship to influence my decision, with no compromise or crime, and with relentless prosecution of criminals. I will enforce the law courteously and appropriately without fear or favor. Malice, I will never accept them gratitudes in return. I recognize the badge of my office as a symbol of public faith and accept it as a public trust. I shall do it with fidelity and integrity, for it is mine to possess only will and fulfill the solemn obligation. Police officer cred. I believe in God, the supreme being, the great provider and creator of all men and everything dear to me. In return, I can do less than love him above all. Seek his guidance in the performance of my solemn duties and honor him at all times. I believe in that respect for authority is my duty. I respect and uphold the Constitution, the laws of the lands, and applicable laws and regulation. I recognize the legitimacy and authorize of leadership and follow and obey legal orders of my superiors officers. I believe in this law and service to people. Toward this end, I commit myself to the service of my fellow men over and above my personal convenience. I believe in sanctity of marriage and the respect for women. I shall set an example of decency and morality and shall have high regard for family life and chastity. I believe in responsible revenue and stewardship over material things and shall inhibit myself for ostentatious display of my property. I shall protect the environment and conserve natures to maintain ecological balance. I shall respect private and public properties and prevent others from destroying it. I believe in wisdom of thoughtfulness and must be trustworthy and shall speak the truth at all times as required for my profession. 10. The Ten Commandments of God. 1. I am the Lord your God. You shall not other God before me. 2. Thou shalt not use the name of the Lord in vain. 3. Remember to keep the holy Sabbath day, Lord's day. 4. Honor your father and mother. 5. Thou not kill. 6. Thou not commit adultery. 7. Thou shalt not steal. 8. Thou shalt not bear false witness against your neighbor. 9. Thou shalt not beat your neighbor's wife. 10. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's goods. The Lord's Prayer. Father, holy be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sins against us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil. Vision Mission of the Philippine National Police. Mission. The Philippine National Police enforce the law to prevent and control crimes, to maintain peace and order, and to ensure public safety and internal security with the active support of the community. Vision. The men and women of the Philippine National Police are committed to the vision of professional, dynamics, and motivated PNP, working in partnership with the response community towards the attainment of the safe place to live, work, invest, and do business. Mission of, of Bureau of Fire Protection. Mission to prevent and suppress destructive fires, reverse fire related loss, and provide emergency medical and rescue service. Vision: a world-class fire protection agency working towards public safety conscious society. Mission of Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Mission: enhance public safety and providing human safekeeping and development of inmates in all district, city, and municipal jail. Vision: a dynamic institution highly regarded for its sustained safekeeping and development of inmates. Core values: continuous skills enhancement of personnel ability to establish linkage and partnership, response planning, timely decision making, expedient implementation. Laws are a Republic Act, PD, Presidential Decrees, BT Batas Pabansa, PD number 1185, Fire Code of the Philippines, PD number 704, revising and consolidating all laws and decrees affecting fishing and fisheries, PD number 532, Anti-Piracy and Anti-Highway Robbery of, of 1971, PD number 533, Anti-Cattle Wrestling Law of 1974, PD number 449, Cockfighting Law of 1974, PD number 968, Prohibition Law of 1976, PD number 1612, Anti-Fencing Law, PD number 1602, Prescribing Defer Penalty on Illegal Gambling, PD number 603, the Child and Youth Welfare Code, PD number 7636, Anti-Subversion Law Amendments, RA 6931, Anti-Witness Protection, Security and Benefits Act, RA number 832, Anti-Electricity and Electric Transmission Line, Material Welfare Act of 1994, RA number 3553, an act to provide the possession deadly arrows, RA number 9165, Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2022, RA number 6425, the Dangerous Drugs Act of 1972, RA number 7877, Anti-Sexual Harassment of Act number 1995, RA number 8505, Rape Victim Assistance and Protection Act of 1998, RA number 1700, Anti-Subversion Law, RA number 7659, anti anti actoy impose the death penalty on certain heinous crime, RA 9344, Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, RA number 4136, Land Transportation and Traffic Codes, RA number 7080, an act defining and penalizing a crime of plunder, RA number 7610, Special Protection of Children Against Sexual Abuse, Exploitation and Discrimination Act, RA number 9299, an act converting Central Visayas Polytechnic College CBPC into a state university to be known as Negros Oriental State University, NORSU. RA number 9160, Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2001, RA number 6968, an act punishing the crime of coup d'etat, RA number 7438, an act defining certain rights of persons arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation, and RA number 3019, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practice Act of RA number 6235, Anti-Hijacking Law Act, Prohibited Acts Inimical to Civil Aviation, RA number 8049, Anti-Hazing Law, RA number 8177, an act designating the death and lethal injection as the method of carrying out capital punishment, RA number 8353, and the Anti-Rape Law of 1997, RA number 6506, an act creating the board examiner for criminologists,